Hey Quick Creators, welcome to another episode of Quick Creations and आज हम बनाने वाले हैं coffee cake.
It's super easy, tasty, delicious, decadent.
Why are you so excited?
Because we haven't used any microwave for this recipe.
Yes guys, so हमको बहुत सारे requests आते हैं to make something without any microwave or oven. So here's another one for you guys.
Give this video a thumbs up if you like watching it. Subscribe because you can. And hit that bell icon, it's free.
Let's get quick creating.
The first step of making our delicious coffee cake is to take a big mixing bowl and a sieve. To the sieve, we are going to add some powdered sugar and we are going to sift it well until no lumps are seen. Once we have sifted our powdered sugar well, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder to it. To that, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water and we are going to beat it with a beater. Beat it until soft peaks are formed as such. That's it. Our whipped coffee mixture looks ready for other ingredients. To that we are going to add flavorless oil. You can also substitute oil for butter. Then we are going to add some plain yogurt or dahi. And using a spatula, we are going to mix all the wet ingredients well. It's time to add our dry ingredients. Now take a sieve and add some all-purpose flour or maida to it. Then we're going to add baking powder and baking soda and we're going to sift all the dry ingredients well. Now we're going to take a folding spatula and we're going to mix all those ingredients well. To that we're going to add our milk gradually. We are adding our milk in 2 batches. The technique that we are using here to mix all the ingredients is the folding technique. This technique ensures that our batter doesn't get over mixed. You don't want to end up over mixing your batter because then it becomes gooey, which we don't want. We want our batter to be super moist and fluffy, and that's exactly how you're gonna get it if you follow this technique. When you can see no lumps in your batter, it is time to pour the batter in a cake tin. In a cake tin lined with parchment paper or butter paper and greased well with oil or butter, we are going to pour our coffee cake batter. Now we are going to tap our cake tin to remove any air bubbles and we are going to cook it in the hot pot. We are going to preheat our hot pot with a wire stand as shown for about 8 to 10 minutes and then we are going to place our cake tin into it. Stick a toothpick into it and when it comes out clean, you know that your cake is done. Take out your cake and let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to flip your cake on a plate. Your cake should come out easily because we also used the baking paper and we greased it well with the butter. Flip the cake and top it with your favorite topping. We have used chocolate ganache here. If you want to know the recipe for chocolate ganache, then check out our easy ultimate chocolate cake recipe by clicking the link on your right side. Spread the chocolate ganache well on the top of the cake using a spoon as so. You can skip this step as well and enjoy your coffee cake as is, but we have used a chocolate ganache here because it adds an extra chocolatey flavor to the coffee cake. Now we're gonna refrigerate our coffee cake for about 20 minutes and we're gonna top it with whipped cream. We are decorating it like so by putting some dollops on the corners of the cake. Now it's time to cut a big slice for yourself since our coffee cake is all done. It looks so delicious, guys. Our coffee cake was irresistible and we urge you to make this recipe at home and try it for yourself. It's going to be your favorite in no time. Look at its texture. It's moist, super decadent, and it will become your favorite dessert in no time. Do follow us on our Instagram page to check out beautiful pictures of this decadent coffee cake. Comment down below and let us know how you like this dessert. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this recipe. The caffeine content of this coffee cake will help you beat those lousy afternoons.
If you do end up recreating this delicious Quick Creations, then don't forget to tag us using hashtag Quick Creations and share it with us on Facebook and Instagram.
If you're a coffee lover, then this recipe is a must try for you all. Like this video and comment down below if you have any more video suggestions. We both will try our level best to make that happen. And that's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time with another quick creation. Bye.